This is the Bible right here. I'm not even like showing you something from a Muslim book or something, right? Jesus was hungry. First thing, God don't get hungry, bro, right? But let's leave that. You believe in God? Islam teaches there's one God. You believe. You believe in prophets? Islam teaches there's prophets. You believe those prophets should not be worshipped, only the God above should be worshipped? So you already got the Muslim belief in you, right? Christians would say you worship Jesus, but you don't believe that. You believe you should worship the God that Jesus worshipped, right?
I do believe in worshiping Jesus.
Well, you said only one God should be worshipped. What about Jesus?
Human form God.
But if Jesus is a form of God, then who did he worship?
God is God.
No. Who did Jesus worship?
His Father, he is God.
So did Jesus worship himself?
No.
So who did he worship? God, right? So instead of worshiping Jesus, why not worship the God Jesus worshipped? That make more sense to you?
A little bit.
It does, right? It does. Think about it. Does God know everything? Did Jesus know everything? All right, check it out. This is the Bible, right? Not a Muslim book. Check it out. But of that day and the hour, no one knows, not even the angels in heaven, nor the Son, but only the Father.
Got you.
So according to the Bible, Jesus didn't know when the hour is. But you said God knows everything. And if Jesus didn't know the hour, how could he be God? Makes sense, right? All right, cool. Read up. You got questions? Come back. You're on your journey, bro. We appreciate you.
What was his name again? Damien. Evan, right? Oh, it's the other guy was Evan. Alex, my God.
Good to see you, Alan. Have a good one, bro. So, Stephen, do you believe there's one God?
Yes.
All right, good. Me too. We're on the same page.
Yes, sir.
Do you believe that God sent prophets like Moses and Abraham and Jesus to guide us?
Yes.
All right. So those prophets were sent from the time of Adam all the way to the time of Muhammad. So everything at the first and the last, right? So all of them brought a message: worship one God above, don't worship idols, don't worship saints, right? 10 commandments, hear, O Israel, your Lord is one, don't worship idols. Do you believe it, all that?
Yeah.
All right, man. Do you believe Jesus is a prophet that was sent by God?
Yes.
All right, cool. Me too. Do you believe that Jesus worshiped the one God above?
Yeah, he did.
All right. So as a Muslim, we worship that one God.
Right.
That makes sense? Right? We don't worship Jesus. We worship the one Jesus used to worship.
Right.
Make sense?
Yeah.
So what's holding you from being a Muslim, bro? You're there.
It's because I grew up Christian. So
I feel you. I grew up going to church too. I know you look at me like this, but he can tell you, I was an essay. I was a Sureño gang member from SoCal, right? San Diego, right? I grew up going to churches, Catholic, Protestant, Baptist, all of that. All my friends were Catholics or Christians or Baptists or whatever, right? But when you know the truth, you have to accept it.
Yeah.
Right? Whatever. Like if you were raised believing 2 + 2 is 5,
Yeah.
but I show you it's 4, you can't be like, bro, I was raised believing it was 5.
Yeah.
Make
Because,
sense?
Like even though I grew up Christian, I still keep I'm open-minded. You know, I don't.
Beautiful, bro.
Not
Beautiful.
Because I know there's other Christians that be like, oh no.
Yeah,
Even when someone like shows them the proof or whatever,
Exactly.
they get defensive and no, I'm like.
You're
I'm
cool
like
like that.
open
I
book,
feel
know
you,
what
bro.
I'm
I
saying?
feel you.
I'm always down to learn and
So check it out.
know what's going on.
As a Muslim, we would believe there's only one God. You already believe that.
Yeah.
As a Muslim, you believe Jesus, Moses, Abraham, Muhammad were prophets. Peace be upon them. We love them. They were sent by one God. You believe that.
Yeah.
So you're already Muslim, bro. Your heart's already there. Right? A Christian would tell you I worship Jesus, but you said you worship the God above.
Yeah, they do worship Jesus sometimes. I think it's because of the way that I was raised. Sometimes
Right.
I pray
Right.
to Jesus and stuff
I
like
feel
that.
you.
But I've always had like a certain thought of like with the Trinity, and sometimes a lot of things didn't make sense. and stuff like that.
Exactly. It don't make
So I
sense,
think it's
bro.
just because I was raised.
I feel
with
you,
it.
bro.
And you know, he be showing me the stuff.
Yeah,
and I
you
be
breaking
like,
it down, mashallah.
A lot of the stuff it's like evidence, bro. You know, a motherfucker can't-
Evidence,
but
exactly.
The only thing that had me kind of like borderline is the Shroud of Turin.
Yeah.
When they started like breaking it down scientifically and stuff
Right.
like that, that's kind of what threw me off and started making me feel like.
But what do they break down scientifically?
Well, they said that there was no way that on the Turin that the reflection of the image could be on there, right? And
Why not?
They said because there was that type of image could only be reflected by.
But think about it. Think about it. Like,
Yeah.
for example, if I put a human with a cloth over them.
Yeah.
And just from the heat of the human, for example, it leaves an imprint,
Right.
right? So you could
They
like
said that the imprint was only been made by like light source, but there was no light back then.
again, for example, if I put you in the sun, light's above,
Right.
right? And the imprint from the human oils can imprint. Right? Even right now, if you go to caves and stuff, you'll find cloths with hand imprints, right? So none of that's an evidence of truth and falsehood, right? Let's give it to them. Let's say that cloth is a real person, but who was that? How do we know it was Jesus?
They said by supposedly they could see the markings and how it was tortured, and they said that the blood on the cloth.
Was he the only one tortured?
No.
Did they do a DNA test for with Joseph or Mary and him?
No.
See, they just tell you these things to make it sound. Let me show you something. This is the Bible, right? Christian Bible, not some kind of Muslim book, right? What does it say right here in James? For God cannot be tempted.
Yeah.
Is that clear? Like that makes sense. How can you tempt God, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
But in the same Bible, Matthew, then Jesus was led up by the Spirit into the wilderness to be tempted by the devil.
Yeah.
So if Jesus was tempted, according to the Bible, and God can't be tempted, how could Jesus be God?
True.
Right? God knows everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. This is the Bible right here. I'm not even like showing you something from a Muslim book or something, right? Jesus was hungry. First thing, God don't get hungry, bro, right? But let's leave that. And seeing from afar a fig tree having leaves, he went to see if perhaps it would have something on it. When he came to it, he found nothing but leaves, for it was not the season for figs. How's God not gonna know if a tree has figs on it?
True.
Right? Let me show you one more. But of that day and hour, no one knows, not even the angels in heaven, nor the Son, but only the Father.
No, no.
So-
Jesus never said to pray to him. He never said that one time. I know.
You got this, bro.
Yeah.
Let's do this. You believe in one God.
Yeah, I do.
You believe none should be worshipped except one God.
Yeah.
You believe Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad were prophets of God. We're doing your Shahada, you're Muslim, bro. All right, let's do it. English first or Arabic first?
English.
All right. I bear witness
I bear witness
there is none worthy of worship
that is not worthy of worship
except Allah.
except Allah.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the servant
is a servant
and messenger of Allah.
and messenger of Allah.
Allahu Akbar. You're Muslim. Allahu Akbar. Takbir. All right. We're going to do Arabic with me, right? Crazy. Crazy. Shahada. We just had.
You just took Shahada?
Yes.
Hey, welcome,
All right.
brother. Welcome.
We'll do his Arabic now, all right?
Welcome to the truth, man.
All right. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
alla
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammada
Muhammadan
abdahu
abdahu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
Allahu Akbar. You're Muslim, my brother. Allahu Akbar. First day of your life, you're a brand new person. What didn't make sense to you, the Trinity, you tossed it. And what does make sense to you, Tawheed, you accepted it. You gotta stay steadfast. You got a good brother. Where's your brother at? Right here, man. You stick with him, learn from him. This is the best day of your life. It's better than the day you were born, my brother.
Y'all still got Quran?
We got everything for you, bro. We got a Quran.
أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من